Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see a basic text formatting option or text option on your Microsoft Word mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So in this video, I'm just going to show how to use a basic text format option on your Microsoft Word mobile. So first of all, click on this plus symbol and just open a blank document here. So I'm just going to talk about a text format option. So just zooming in, just select the text that you want to make the format like this and just click on this arrow option, and you will see here you can just change the font color. You just want to download, you just need an internet connection, automatically it will change. And the size also you can just change using this option. And here the bold option, and it is italic, underline option. And also you can just change the color by using this option. You can see font color option. There will be also the standard color. You just scroll down, you will see our standard color. Click on the font color again, just scroll down, you will click on the more color option. So it's actually premium one, and if you want to select the automatic color, it's like black color. And just scroll down, you will see a lot of more options like styles, like a heading, title, and more. So these are the basic text formatting options that you can just do with this option. If you want to do this option, you can also click on the A symbol on the top, which actually opens the text formatting option on your Microsoft Word mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.